Ashley Phillips here at the Lucas Oil Off-Road Expo, and we're talking to the kings of drivetrain components, Tubeworks. I'd like to introduce you to Jayson Miles. Jayson, tell us a little bit about you guys.
We've been around for about 15 years. We provide drivetrain components for about 90% of the top teams out in the industry. In Pro 2, Pro 4, Trophy Truck, a lot of Ultra 4 cars are using our components now. We just really try to set the standard and keep it high in this industry.
And what makes your product so different?
We try to put a lot of real engineering in the components, try to resolve problems that we've had with different areas over the last few years. Gear life is a big issue in off-road racing, and we've made some big strides this year in the components we've done.
Well, show me a couple of them. I'd love to see.
We developed a new Pinion Support. Everybody out there makes a Pinion Support. There's 4 or 5 different manufacturers that do these racing supports. Ours is drastically different. One key thing here that we're looking at on the left here is a standard support. It has a 1/2 inch bearing spread. The one on the right here is our support. It has 3 times the bearing spread, a bigger bearing on the bottom. We're able to do that because we started to manufacture our own yoke and move this bearing forward around the yoke rather than being behind the yoke. This right here has made the reverse rotation Ultra 4 application. The gears live 4 times as long. In a conventional trophy truck, we're seeing also a significant 25 to 50% improvement on gear life too.
It's pretty incredible. You guys have some stuff here that you're really excited about this year.
We've revamped our whole line of hubs. Everything is 3D pocket milled, ultra lightweight. We've incorporated some new floating rotor systems that we're debuting this weekend, and there's a few more things to come out in the next few weeks. But one thing I'm really excited about is our new Planetary Rear End. This is a complete game changer. We have a lot of high hopes for this. The big difference with this unit here is we're doing all the work in the wheel after the axles. All the gear reduction is done at the wheel, just like a tractor, just like a big piece of heavy equipment. So we do a small amount of gear ratio change at the third member where the drive shaft inputs, but all the work is done out here. We've cut 100 pounds, basically a third of the weight of the entire rear end unit side by side to the conventional 10-inch rear ends that are available. This thing has been running at a low operating temperature. We haven't really seen over 120 to 130 degrees operating temperature yet on the testing we've done. The ground clearance, we pick up 3 inches of ground clearance. That's the same thing as going from a 35-inch tire up to almost a 42-inch tire with changing no other components. It's just a big saver for the drivetrain industry.
Is this something that's available to the consumer right now, and where can people find out more information?
It is available now. It's still in the prototype section. We're doing a couple more units for some customers right now that are willing to step up and try this new type of rear end. You know, it's not really new. It's been around for a long time, like I said, in tractors, but this small scale version of this rear end is new for this industry. So if somebody is interested, we absolutely will move forward on helping them out and trying to set something up.
Well, it's an exciting time to be a part of off-road, and Tubeworks is right in the middle of it.